Okay, it's Sunday, the 20th of August 2023, and we're at Whistlestop Valley to see Bluey and Bingo, aren't we, Alice? Alice has just fallen asleep just before we got here. Nightmare. Stay tuned and see what we get up to today. It's so exciting, isn't it? Seeing Bluey and Bingo.
Woo!
There you go, say it now.
Right, that's why you're the best.
You're the best. Camera, everybody.
Hello. Hello. That's why you are the best. Everybody having what?
Smile, everybody, smile. Now then, my friends, make sure that you subscribe to Aaron and Alice's awesome adventures. Now, come on, do it. Do it now. You've been told by the Macmaster, so do it. Oh my gosh. Ruben. Let me see. Alice, look at you, princess. Can you sing Let It Go?
I don't hear it in my song. I'm gonna pull my weight, don't get me wrong. Brand new start and a whole new part. They are big old shoes to fill. I'll be there on that platform, babe. You know I will. Come on. Let's ride.
You having a good time at Whistlestop Valley? Yeah? Enjoying it? You like seeing Bluey?
Safety else that you remain seated throughout the journey. Do not lean out the windows and please do not allow children to play with the door handles as the doors are not locked. Please ensure that children are supervised at all times during your journey. If you need to stop the train in an emergency, pull the communication cord above your head on the left hand side above the doors. It will take about 25 minutes. If any worse today, enjoy the ride.
Burn like a dried out leaf. Are we leaving on the next train, baby? I do believe. Come on, let's ride this train. Come on, let's ride this train. Now I ain't missed a 9 to 5. I don't hear it in my song. I'm gonna pull my weight, don't get me wrong. Brand new start and a whole new part. They are big old shoes to fill. I'll be there on that platform, babe. You know I will. Come on, let's ride this train. Come on, let's ride this train. Now nothing is this rush of life. You'll never find its match. So you live to be a million years. All hearts are lost by default in the time of a single beat.
like this have to go and watch the bouncy castle go flat. See you later. Bye. Thumbs up and thumbs down when we go home.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Walk home.